welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. Gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog Reading Current Energy Check-in to for the month of June all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Remember na ito ay isang collective reading at hindi to personal, so maaaring mag-resonate sa certain group ng ating collective. At kung hindi to mag-resonate sa inyo, I will tap into your energy next month. Okay? So, Aries, sa mga new viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-suporta at sa pakikinig ng ating mga monthly Tagalog readings. Alright? So, ginawa natin tong reading na to sa ganap na June 18, 2024 tonight at 8:25 p.m. Okay, Aries, isa-shuffle ko lang muna ang mga cards in front of the camera and I'll see you guys in few seconds. Okay, Aries. Welcome back, Aries. So, gawin na natin ng inyong monthly Tagalog reading sa ganap na June 18, 2024. At ito ay isang oracle deck about sacred self-care. Alright? So, let's see what the cards has to say for you as of this time, Aries. Nakukuha tayo ng 7 cards, no? Current energy check-in to. Alright, are you ready? Position 1, meron kang thing. Okay. Second position, nandyan ang flow, like water. Nandyan ang hydrate. Wow. Okay. Position 4, nandiyan ang make a meal. Position 5, write a gratitude list for you. Self-care to, guys. So, what do you need to know? Create art at position 6 and at the center, soak in a bath. Okay. So, no, maganda yung mga cards na to, guys. So, the first card, umpisa natin na sa release position thing. So, ito yung maaari na hino-hold back mo na dapat mo na sigurong i-embrace ulit. So, say, ibig sabihin, sing to a new life, sing a new song, sing to joy. Hindi that necessarily, literal meaning, no? Maybe, kasi when you sing, parang nag-e-enjoy ka, diba? Pag kumakanta tayo, nagkakaraoke tayo, for instance, no? Pinifeel natin yung lyrics. Pinifeel mo yung song, pinifeel mo yung tune, yung rhythm, di ba? I think na it applies generally sa buhay mo, no? So, it's about time siguro na baka mas maging masaya ka na and free-spirited around this time. Yun ang sinasabi sa'yo. Okay? Deserve mo kasi na maging masaya. Deserve mo na mag-enjoy ka. Okay, Aries? Now, sa position 2 mo, Aries, nandyan yung kailangan mo daw ipagpatuloy, which makes sense, no? Kasi analogy, parang same dun sa release position mo, flow like water daw, no? Kung saan ka dalhin ng agos ng buhay, so be it. Basically, yan ang sinasabi sa'yo. Okay? Don't go against the current. Parang ganun nga. Kung ito ang circumstances mo, as of this time, ipagpatuloy mo lang daw. Okay? Don't go against the current. Huwag mo i-control. Kung saan ka dadalhin ng alon, ng agos ng buhay. Kung makikita mo siya, lumalangoy lang siya, no? So, she's not going against the current. Parang, sinasabayan na lang niya muna. Sinasakyan niya ang takbo ng buhay. So, it's more like an advice para sa'yo, Aries. Okay? Now, position 3, sana we make sense so far, no? For those who will resonate on this. Sa manifestation position mo, ang sabi, hydrate. So, mapapansin mo, yung current situation mo, may water. Ay, manifestation mo, hydrate daw. So, kung makikita mo to, no? Babae siya, contemplating yung mga gusto niya i-manifest. Hawak ang tubig at pinapalibutan siya ng tubig. So, it must be, no? I think, no, kung sa mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari, sa mga desires mo, no? Sa thoughts mo and feelings mo, baka ina-encourage ka rin, like, I was just thinking sa manifestation technique natin, Aries, no? Alam niyo yung 2-cup technique? Or yung nagma-manifest ka ng gusto mo, nagsiset ka ng intention mo sa tubig. And then you will drink it. Parang pinoprogram mo yung water. Kasi we are made of water, 'di ba? Sa katawan natin. So, kung ipoprogram mo yung tubig na 'yan, no, with your intentions and manifestations, no, ng mga desires mo, I think mas makakatulong para sa iyo. Kasi it will be within you. Yun ang sinasabi doon sa manifestation technique. More like parang advice to. And at the same time, in esoteric meaning, no, maybe, medyo dry up na ba tayo sa mga desires, na give up na ba? Alam mo yon, yung parang nawawalan ba ng pag-asa? Iniisip ba natin mas negative than positive? Kasi pag nag-hydrate, di ba parang, let's say, yung tubig, no? Eto, yung ilog ba sa tingin mo maubos ng tubig? Or it will continue to flow like running water. So, sa manifestation mo, parang kasi water gives life, no? So, it's about time na i-water mo, parang plant. Yung mga desires mo, when you plant a seed, isipin mo na parang nagpa-plant ka ng desire and intention doon. Tapos, ginagrow mo yung plant. Paano mo ginagrow yung plant? Siyempre, inaalagaan mo ng sunlight, ng water, i-check mo yung moist ng soil, yung kung hydrated ba yung water, no? Or na-overhydrate ba or kulang. So, ganun din sa manifestation. Aalagaan mo siya. Okay? Nurture it, make sure it's hydrated, and don't stay dry sa mga desires mo. Okay? Continuity, flow. Okay? Now, dito naman sa fourth position mo is make a meal. So, pag sinabi natin tong external energy, literally, it's cooking. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Aris. Nagluluto, di ba? Pero, yung external energies na yan, sabihin ko, marami nangyayari pag nagluluto ka. Hinahanda mo yung ingredients. Tinitimpla mo, okay? May effort na kasama yan. Labor of love, or ginagawa mo siya good-heartedly kasi may pinaglulutuan ka. Diba? Ganon. Nagpe-prepare ka ng meal for someone you love, for example. Or pwede rin it's a hobby, no? It's also a business. But anyway, it involves effort. So, sa external energy, nararamdaman ko, it's time for you parang mas mag-inspire ka, mas maging creative ka, mas maging parang laborious yung external energies na makaka-influence sa'yo. So, may kinalaman sa effort, sa pagtatrabaho to, sa time, kasi nagko-consume ng time ang pagluluto, di ba? Yung analogy dyan, as an external energy. And also, you could be cooking for people. May hinahanda ka para may preparation kang kailangan gawin kasi gusto mo tong ilaan sa someone or something na para dito. Yun yung tingin ko. May time and effort na involved. Okay? Whatever it is that you're dealing with, no? May process, no? Bago tayo makapagluto ng meal, di ba, may mga sangkap ingredients yan or yung parang cooking recipe, kumbaga. So, yun sinasabi sa'yo. May recipe, may tinitimpla tayo dyan. Yung external energies mo, maybe para rin sa'yo. Okay? So, a bit more patient, no? It's only a matter of time. Pag nagluto tayo, naabot siguro ng 1 to 3 hours, depende kung anong meal ang niluluto natin, or putahe, or cuisine. Okay? Now, sa fifth position mo, ang sabi, write a gratitude list. No, ito yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. Kung makita mo siya, nagjo-journaling siya, no? Nagjo-journal siya, nire-write niya yung mga bagay na thankful siya at grateful siya. So, this could benefit you, no? Kasi ang journaling is isang form ng manifestation technique, okay? And ang journaling kasi is more like parang way na rin, no? Therapeutic siya in a form of manifestation. Pwede mong ilista dyan the things you are grateful for kasi pag sinasabi mo yan at sinusulat mo yung things na thankful ka, no, naririnig yan eh. Kasi nabibuild up yan sa thoughts mo. If gagawin mo to exercise daily, no, eventually, yung mga thoughts na yan, ma-incorporate yan sa isip mo and sa feelings mo. And it will help you better, no? Lalo na pag nagmamanifest tayo. Pag nagmamanifest ka kasi, kailangan mas lamang yung positive, yung things that you are grateful for than negativity. Okay? So, ito yung kailangan mong gawin. Magbe-benefit ka dyan. Now, at position 6, Aries, ang sabi, create art, no? New beginning. Nagda-drawing sa canvas, Nagpipaint, okay? So, creativity. Sa new beginnings mo, sinasabi, create. Gawin mo, gumawa ka ng mga bagong simula. Whatever the deal is, no? Hindi dito sinasabi na balikan natin yung mga old cycle, old situation, or old things, no? Old stories. Tapos na yon. Yun sinasabi dito. So, ang new beginning mo, mas something na blank canvas and bagong image. Okay? Kasi, everything na iniisip at nararamdaman natin, no? Yan ang napipicture out, no? Sabi nga ni Neville Goddard, diba? Everything that, that you feel and think, no? Sa isip mo, yun ang nakikita mo sa reality mo, yun yung nagmamanifest. So, what do you want to create, no? Ano yung gusto mo makita sa canvas na yan, sa blank canvas na yan? Okay? Yan ang magiging reality mo. So, create new beginning. Yun ang ini-encourage sa'yo. Okay? Start a clean slate. Yan is more like an advice para sa'yo, Aries. Okay? Now, at the center, no, Aries, ang sabi dito, soak in a bath. Ito yung kailangan mong matutunan. Or you have not yet recently learned, no? Okay, kung makikita mo to, it's about time siguro i-pamper mo ang sarili mo. Okay, lately, no? Kasi, kailangan din, kung mag-start tayo ng bagong simula, alam mo yun, mag-create ka ng bagong self-concept sa'yo, no? And, para kasi ma-attract natin yung the right energy, yung mataas na vibration, sinasabi ko sa'yo, kailangan mo ring pahalagahan ang sarili mo. Self-value, self-worth ang sinasabi dito. Ito yung kailangan mong matutunan. Don't put yung mga ibang sitwasyon na nakokonsume ka at mga tao na kinokonsume ka sa pedestal. Dapat mas mataas, okay? Para sila yung aabot sa'yo. Sila yung hahabol sa'yo. You attract, okay? That vibration. Pero if you keep it low, nakakalimutan mo sa sarili mo, then you will attract the same old stories, same old people, same old situation. Okay? So, talking about meaning, not in a literal sense na, at sinasabi to more like self-care, no, put yourself on the pedestal. Okay? Mas pahalagahan, mahalin mo, alagaan mong sarili mo. Okay? And so that, yun yung mahahatak mo na vibration. Pag inaalagaan mo ang sarili mo, then you will find people na magkikare sa'yo. Okay? Ganun yun eh. Yung vibration attract the same vibration. Alright? You can indulge sa spa, sa salon, baka ina-encourage ka rin, or in a salt bath. Kasi ang sea salt bath, ginagawa ko yan once a week at least, or more. Kine-cleanse din yan ng aura mo. Okay? This is just an advice para ma-cleanse din yung aura mo. Go into a sea salt bath. Okay? Once a week, or depende sa'yo how much, or gaano mo kailangan frequently. Okay? Now, Aries, sana nag-resonate kayo, no? So, natapos ang reading na to sa ganap na 8:39 p.m. June 18, 2024. And maaaring mag-resonate to on to the next 3 to 6 months, okay? So, Aries, I'll see you guys on your next month Tagalog reading. If it doesn't resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. Take care, Aries. God bless. And mahal ko kayo. Bye!